The other day, I was on a call with a 40-year-old man. He had been working a regular 9-to-5 job for years, saving up his money, investing in the stock market every month. He was doing everything by the book. Everything the experts told him he should be doing if he wanted to become wealthier and be financially free. And he confessed that after 10 years of doing it consistently, it still wasn't enough. He had literally done everything right. He lived below his means. He contributed to his 401k, and every single month he invested in the stock market and into index funds. And yet, he was still stuck in a job he hated, barely making enough money to afford the kind of lifestyle he wanted. Now, if that doesn't tell you everything, I don't know what else will. My name is Fred, and I went from making $0 per month, coming from the lower middle class, to making over $1,200 per day with my online business using a simple 4-step process. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you everything I did step by step so you can copy me. The link will be in the bio. And if you want me to directly help you, I'm offering free strategy calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. And to thank you, when we get to 30,000 subs on YouTube, I'll give away $2,000. Watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share with a friend to win. Now, for decades, people have been told by the so-called financial experts that the way to become wealthy was to save money and invest it in the stock market. And eventually, when you let your money grow like that for decades, you'd be wealthier at the end. And at first, it makes sense, right? It's logical. Invest early, let compound interest do its magic, and in 30 to 40 years, you'll be rich. But here is the problem. What good is being a millionaire when you're 65? I mean, sure, it's better to be a millionaire at 65 than never. But what's the point of being extremely frugal, working extremely hard your entire life, missing out on beautiful experiences in your youth, and then, now when you're old, when you're sick and exhausted from decades of hard work, now you finally have enough money to enjoy your life and to do the things that you want. So that, in my opinion, it's not freedom. It's a slow, painful grind to the finish line. Just look around you. Do you know anyone who got rich off of investing in the stock market or stocks and they did it while they were young? No, because investing doesn't directly make you rich, or at least not quickly enough. What it does is to make you wealthier over time. But if you start with barely anything, it's not gonna change your life anytime soon. It's better than not doing it. But if you want to actually make serious money, take control of your life and of your financial future, you need to find a way to make more money. So let's break this down with numbers so you can see exactly why investing will not save you. Let's say you save up $10,000 and you invest it in the stock market. Let's say you get an incredible 10% return on investment every year, which is actually better than the market average. After 1 year, you've got $11,000. And after 10 years, assuming you keep reinvesting your money, you will have around $25,000. Does $25,000 make you financially free, especially with inflation? Absolutely not. But even if you started off with $100,000 invested, which most people don't have $100K just like that lying around to invest, after 10 years, you might have around $250,000. So better? Yes, but not quite enough to retire and to live the life of your dreams. Can you see the problem now? People love to talk about how investing builds wealth. And yes, it does, over decades. So it's not really helping you if you want to become rich, or at least financially free, in your 20s or 30s. It doesn't help you to quit your job, to travel more often, or to buy your dream house or your dream car. The truth is, the stock market and real estate, and even other sources of investment, are great to make you wealthier. If you're already rich, that's the catch. Because if you already have millions of dollars, investing can not only secure your assets, but make you wealthier over a long period of time. And so it provides you with financial security and passive income. But if you're starting from zero, these methods will not make you financially free or turn you into a millionaire anytime soon. The average person who's investing a few $100s per month in the stock market are not going to see life-changing money for decades. Now, when it comes to real estate, while it can be a great way to make more money, at the same time, it requires a lot of startup capital, a good credit score, and years of patience before generating substantial cash flow. So these are closer to wealth preservation strategies as opposed to rapid wealth building strategies. If your goal is to go from broke or making an average salary to becoming rich as quickly as possible in just a matter of a few years, you need to find a way to make more money. Because if you don't make more money, you've got nothing to invest in the first place, or barely anything to make a difference. And now you may say, okay, I get it. Investing in the stock market will not make me rich. But what about real estate? You might hear a lot of people saying that investing in real estate or having rental units is the way to make lots of money. And it can be, but only if you already have a lot of money to start with. And here is exactly why. Buying a house or a flat, even as an investment, requires a down payment. And banks aren't just handing out free money to everybody who wants to become financially free. It'd be too easy. If you don't have a good credit and a solid income, getting a loan can be extremely difficult. And it takes years before you actually see big returns. Even if you have a rental property, how much are you actually making per month after you pay off the different expenses expenses, maintenance, and taxes. $200, $500 per unit? So you need a lot of properties before you can actually replace your income. Just think about this. If you own a rental property that makes you $500 a month, that's only $6,000 per year. You can't live with that money. So to be making $10,000 per month, you would need to have 10 rental properties bringing you $500 per month each. How long will that take you? How much money are you going to need to even buy 20 properties in the first place? So real estate is by no means a get-rich-quick strategy. That being said, it's a great way to increase your wealth once you already have money to invest. But if you're starting from zero and you want to make money fast, it's not the smartest move. Now you may be wondering, okay, but if investing won't make me rich, then what the hell will? Simple. You have to make more money now. Not in 30 years, not in 10 years, now. And the real question becomes, okay, but how do you make more money? If you just try to work more hours in your job, you're going to hit a ceiling very quickly when it comes to how much money you can make. You can't spend 24 hours a day working, 365 days a year. And even if you could, what kind of life would that be? A horrible, sad life. That means that instead, you need to leverage the skills and the knowledge that you already have to build a business that makes you money quickly. And the fastest way to do this, hands down, is through high-ticket consulting. Just think about this. What if, instead of putting down $10,000 in the stock market and waiting for it to turn into $25,000 after a decade, what if you invested that money, or even a third of it, into starting a high-ticket consulting business that can earn you thousands of dollars per customer? Then you'd be making $10,000 plus per month. That's 6 figures per year. And guess what? Once you're actually making $10,000 per month, then you can start investing some of that money into the stock market or real estate. And then as you scale your business, instead of investing maybe $200 per month like the average person, if at all, you could be investing $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 per month in different investments. And that is when you actually get a big return on your investment. That's where the numbers start to become significant. So if you want to get to 10K per month fast and even more, you need the following 3 things. The first is a skill or simply a knowledge that businesses or even individuals would be willing to pay for. As long as you can help someone to solve a painful problem, you can make a lot of money. So for example, some of my customers, they do fitness coaching. Some of my customers, they provide lead generation services for business owners. And then you simply need to package this skill into a consulting offer. And the third thing you need is a system to attract customers consistently, because all you need to quit your job is 1 or 2 customers, because they pay you thousands of dollars. So that is exactly what I help people to do. I've worked with people who went from making a few $1,000s per month with a regular job to making over $10,000 per month, sometimes even more than that, in just a matter of months. And to give you yet another success story, yesterday in fact, I was on a call with 3 of my customers, and one of them actually shared a success story. In less than 4 weeks of starting to work with us, he signed his first high-paying customer. And most of my customers, they started with no business experience. They had no social media following, no massive budget for paid ads. In fact, they didn't spend a single penny on paid ads, and they had no previous sales skills. A lot of them also felt like they weren't qualified enough to sell anything, but they simply followed the step-by-step process we gave them, which is actually super simple. So simple, a lot of people don't even believe it works, or they think it's too good to be true. But you know what? Let them miss out on it. And now they've got a business that prints money every month. I want you to really understand that time is worth infinitely more than money, because you can always make more money, but the time that you lose, you will never get it back. Every year you spend stuck in a job that you don't love, waiting for your investments to compound after decades, it's years of your life that you're wasting. The 40-year-old man I was talking to, he had been following the advice of the so-called financial experts, investing for decades, working extremely hard in his job, but he still wasn't financially free. So he spent years hoping that his savings would buy him the freedom and the life he had always dreamed of. But in the end, he was still tied down to his job, still not where he wanted to be, with barely any hopes for the future. So if you don't take back control over your finances right now by making more money through a business, you will end up exactly like him, looking back over decades of hard work, realizing it didn't even help you to live the soul of life that you wanted. Which is why, to help you, I've put together a free video training where I share with you everything I did step by step to make upwards of 1K per day, and it's slightly more than that actually. All of that with over 95% profit margins. I'm giving away all the secrets. And if you're actually serious about making more money, you can directly book a free call with me, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. All of the links will be in the bio, but be quick because spots fill up extremely quickly. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.